back to this video series, Doing Math with Python. If you watch until now, congratulations, we have done the first 3 chapters from the numbers and dealing with those visual with a graph, and the last paragraph is talking about the statistics. How to analyze the one data site or 2 data sites. And from this video we move to the number 4 chapter, which is more the exciting actually to me is beyond the number. We are talking about the algebra and the symbolic math with our new introduced Python library. It's a third-party library called SymPy. SYMPy. So you can treat that. I put that on the same column is same. We can treat that as the short symbolic. Is a Python. So these libraries are dedicated library or very great libraries to dealing with those algebra and the symbolic mathematical the topics. Within the book is we have 5 chapters. The 4 chapters are the knowledge, is defining symbols and symbolic operations, working with expressions, solve those symbolic equations, and then we will also using the SymPy to do the plotting. And we also have numbers of those the challenges altogether. From this mind map, you can see here I add this appendix X. Within that is there's numbers of the software we need to install. So one of that is second one is SymPy. So within the book is they are suggested to use this Anaconda. So because that is our data analytical, the library package or the predefined package that you can install that. They have those the pandas, NumPy, and all the others, spider, numbers of those the Python related libraries pre-installed. And you can use within Anaconda, use the Conda, those package manager to install SymPy. But for our the practice is I have only used Visual Studio Code. I would like to keep you also as light as possible during this learning. You don't need to install the Anaconda. Actually, so if you don't use the VS Code, you can use whatever the text editor to do those code editing, and use the vanilla the Python with those installed the libraries to practice our samples. So without Conda, we will try to use PIP, the Python installation package, to do this SymPy install. So that's why I add one the preparation subchapter for 0400 today to show you how to install and configure SymPy. I don't have the SymPy now in my current machine, so let's do this all together. And in the mind map is actually I put some steps to add you during this installation. So first is after the SymPy 1.0. So now is the SymPy is roughly is on the 1.2 version, but before 1.0 they have this MP math library built in, but after 1.0 they are splitted, and MP math should be a prerequisite that we should install first, and then we try to use PIP also install SymPy and verify the installation. This is kind of a generic verification for the third-party library. You just use from this library import everything. If within the Python console there's nothing showed, it means it means your installation is correct. And then the usage is we will need to import the sys library, the built-in library, install import this npmas, and import SymPy. Once we have those, we can do the testing, and we see is if we don't have SymPy, what will be showing, and if we have SymPy, what will be showing. And also, I put a link for you. Is if you click this link, is you can go to this sympy.org. To have this introductory tutorial. So I'm also plan is possible after these books learning is I may record some specific the videos to demo about this SymPy, as well as some other the valuable libraries during our learning. So that you can expect is there's some the interactive demos I may providing to you soon. So let's go to the actual work. So first I put that in short in the right and put here. So let's go to the Python and make that bigger. So now is here is our Python. Before we do that is let's see. So from npmas import everything. So looks like it's I already have npmas. So let's see. So install npmas. So this I should quit from not in the Python. So I go to here. So you can see here is a requirements already satisfied. So in my Python, I'm not sure is that maybe installed by some other library when I installed. But now this side is my the PIP is getting should be updated. So let's make this. So whenever you have this notification, you can update. So now is my PIP is the 24. So good. So let's do this verify is this SymPy import everything. I don't think I installed the SymPy, but looks like it's that's already here. So let's make this. Yeah, it's already satisfied. So, but you can use this one and this one. These two. Either PIP or PIP3. So within the Python 3, you can use a PIP3 command. So they are not big difference. So now as I have my, you can see when you verify the PIP3, from that is ask you told you is the you have the MP mass, which is the version. So 1. No, I think it's here. So more than 0.19, and the SymPy is also the satisfied. So it's 1.12. So that is the now is I have all these and I can exist this terminal. Then I'm in the in Python. So let's see. So I also import sys. So then what I can do is let's say x equal to symbol x, and then the limit sign x divided by x 0. So it's give you the 1, then that's one testing, and another testing is integrate 1 divided by x, then it's show you the log. So let's see is if we don't have SymPy load. So integrate 1 divided by x. You can see here. So integrate is not defined. This is a function that defined within this SymPy library. And another part is we see the x plus 1. So here is x is not defined. So let's import everything. So let's do this. Oh, it's not defined. So let's also import sys. This is not changing that. Import mpmass. Oh, so x equal to 2. Then this one is 5. So that is a way I think it's allow us to make certain symbolic things, but these are not able to show. So the reason I want to show that is we will see from here. So we need to define this. There's a symbol. So x is our symbol. So let's verify that. X. So we define x is the symbol. Then now x-axis will be showing as this 2x plus 1. So we need to gradually have some more those like integrate. We need to learn those function or methods within the SymPy. But for now, I hope this is a short video. I would like that through this you can have the SymPy as well as the mpmass correctly installed in your the machine. So if you have the different operating system, not Windows, you can go to the Appendix X, learn is how in the Linux or Mac OS, how to install the similar things. So we just need to use SymPy for now. So you can ignore the other installation. If you really use the conda, you can use the conda install command. But after all, please ensure your SymPy mpmass is working based on those the testing approach. And I will see you in the next video. Then we will move to the defining symbols and the symbolic operations. So see you there. Bye for now.